Good morning, everyone. So it's currently 6 a.m. and we are here because we are trying to catch the sunrise here at the eastern tip of Miyakojima called Higashi Henna, where we've heard it's one of the most beautiful sunrises that you can see. And so the light's coming out a little bit early right now, but the sun hasn't peaked yet, so I think we should be able to make it in time to see the awesome sunrise. It's a bit of a walk from the parking lot to the tip of the cape, and there's a lighthouse here as well. Wow, so I think that's got to be one of the most beautiful sunrises I've ever seen. So this place is actually pretty unique because it's like a peninsula that juts out into the middle of the ocean, and it's just surrounded by water on all sides. And so you can basically watch the sunrise without anything around you. And it's like a perfect day today. A little bit of clouds in the sky, perfect blue sky, and just an amazing way to get our day started. Although we're quite tired now, so maybe we'll go back and get some sleep and take a nap before heading out to doing some more adventures. We couldn't leave Miyakojima without visiting the famous Irabu Bridge, which connects the main island to Irabu Island and is the longest toll-free bridge in all of Japan. If you didn't know, Miyakojima is actually a collection of small islands, and these bridges are essential to go from one island to another, making Miyakojima truly a paradise of islands and bridges. We've made it to Toriike, which is a famous pond here at Miyakojima, and so we're gonna go check that out for a little bit as we check out some of the last remaining tourist spots. While on Irabu Island, we made a quick pit stop to the northern coast where there's not much going on except these beautiful cliffs, which are quite the sight to take in. Lastly, we headed back to the main island to another snorkeling spot, Imgya Marine Garden, which is this natural swimming pool formed along the rocky coves, and also just another great spot to check out the coral reefs and the marine life. Oh, and one more important thing to point out about this place. There's a small bridge here that's really popular for jumping off of if you're into that kind of stuff as well. So that's a wrap of our Miyakojima trip. Had a bunch of amazing memories here. Got a lot darker. Hope you guys enjoyed all of our adventures here, and see you guys next time. Bye-bye.